afternoon. It is Friday 9th February 2024. It is 12:19 in the PM. It's cold, there's bits of snow, it's grey. That's about the weather summed up. Grey, cold and snow. Nice and fresh wind. Woohoo! Anyway, happy Friday! Right, that's the weekend started already. Friday. Mind you, every day is just like the other one to the next. The other one to the next. Aye. I know what I mean. All the days are just the same. Apart from Sunday. Just car. Oh, the new van. Sunny days blinds. So I wonder what today will bring. It's good getting a quick shot of the deer yesterday. Well happy with that. Hopefully there's more to come. That wind's picking up a bit. It's a cold wind too. A chilly wind. Well, we sat there for 15 minutes waiting and this sleety, snowy stuff going off. It's just about half an hour. Hope it stays off. It's no good for filming. No, not good. Aye. So hopefully this sleety stuff stays off for you well. Horrible. Yuck. But we'll continue. See what we can get today. Friday. Oh, got a nice phone call yesterday afternoon for a casting company. They've penciled me in as an extra. There's a movie getting made about Lockerbie disaster. So I'm penciled in for, I think it's March the 4th and 5th. Woo! Fingers crossed. I think they're paying £145 for each filming day, 8 hours. That's no bad, not to be sniffed at. It's only a couple of days work, but hey, can't complain. Most of the time you're spent sitting about anyway as an extra, you don't do anything, just sit there, waiting and waiting. I can get paid for that. I'll do that, no problem. Yeah, we'll see if they get back to me anyway. Hopefully. I'll take my camera with me, get some sneaky insider shots of the movie. I better not say that, should I? No. Dope! All quiet here. It's alright, but continue. Bloody potholes. I think they filled one in. It's back here. So I wandered down to the robin tree, see what's going on down there, and then we'll scout our way back up, see if we can see Mr. Squirrel and friends. Mr. Squirrel stealing the robin's food again. Yep. Ah well, fair play. That wind's getting wild. Woohoo! I think they're all staying out the road of the wind. Hey winner. Blow away. Woo. Right, put their foot down, so we'll wander up this way. Jeez, oh. Woo! Ooh, blustery wind. Oh. Blustery cold wind. It's looking kind of quiet. Squirrel land. I'll chuck some food in. Car approaching. Right, squirrels are in the wee drays, chilling out. Right, I'll chuck some more food in this bit. So as the squirrels got their food. Ooh, better put some food in here. There's some food scattered away in there. Hey! A quiet Friday. That's the swan seed, isn't it? Swan seed. Woo! So we'll wander back into the nature trail, see what's going on in here. I don't think we're going to get much today, but you never know. Did I mention it's quite windy? Oh dear. Aye, so we'll wander in here. Oops. That wind. Woo. Don't see any ducks out. There's not much happening Hardly any noise for the birds either. Must be settling in against the wind. Well, we'll fill up the not a bird table. Is that topped up? Yes, wee guy. Hello. 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 What's that? Camera?
I don't know what that is. I think it's a toy, probably.
Is that a squirrel? So, it's nearly 1:40. That's not bad. A year and a half, roughly. But not much happening today. Oh well. There's always tomorrow. What am I having tonight? Vegetable lasagna and garlic bread. That'll do lovely. Yes. Well, you take care. Stay safe. I think that Robin waits on me coming out the park. I'll chuck some food down. Where was I? Oh, aye, hi. You take care, stay safe, cherish your loved ones. And that'll be me. Ha 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 ha.